Hi guys, my name is Sydney. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be unboxing this booster box of Korean Pokemon cards. I'm not sure what set this is, guys, if I'm being so honest with you. I don't know the English name, but I know there's a Serena card in here, so let's see if we can get that, but holy cow. I've never bought an entire booster box. This box was like $25, $30 maybe. I have never opened this many cards in my life. Oh my gosh, I'm scared. Going to open 4 at a time. Oh my gosh. Am I cutting the card? I'm gonna open 4 at a time. I don't even know how many packs are in here. One thing about Korean cards is like, you can't, there's no energy cards. So whatever I pull from the back will be the, like chaser card. It'll be the hit. So I'm not sure what the hit rate is for this pack. I haven't opened any of them, but I'm assuming like every 5 cards there might be something shiny. Oh, 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 oh. Ah, baby! I love Alolan Vulpix. Okay, while it is a horrible defense stat, Alolan Ninetales and Alolan Vulpix, horrible defense stats. Two hits in a row on the first pack. That is so cute. I love it. Oh my gosh, I love it. But as I was saying, Alolan Ninetales and Alolan Vulpix have a terrible defense stat in the game, but I don't care, they're babies. I love them. Oh my gosh. I'm so happy already. This was definitely worth the price just with the Alolan Vulpix and Ninetales. Oh, Mawile, you're kidding. I love colors Pokemon. Oh, that is absolutely gorgeous. And I understand it's a VMAX card and that's not everyone's favorite, but I don't mind VMAX cards. Oh, wow. Okay, do they come in like sets of 2? V-Star. Oh, these 2 Pokemon I absolutely love. So I am so happy with that. Esper! Oh my goodness, Reshiram. Wow. Oh, another baby Esper. I love Esper, one of my favorite Pokemon. Oh, shiny item. What is this? Guys, I actually don't know what this item is. And then, Magearna! Oh my gosh, this set has amazing cards. Every single one of these Pokemon are Pokemon that I love. They're not giving me anything weird like, I don't know, Mr. Mime. I don't know. I'm not a huge Mr. Mime girl, to be honest with you. Not to be like a hater. Not an unpopular opinion, but okay. And then, guys, I don't know how Pokemon YouTubers and like the live stream people just like get the cards out of these packs. Like whenever I try to dump them out, they do not dump out. So I'm just a girl and you're watching Just a Girl's live stream, so this is what we're gonna have to deal with. Back, and the first card is this Braixen card. My favorite Pokemon of all time is Delphox, like the Fennekin evolution line. So I would love to get any art cards of Delphox, Fennekin, or Braixen. That is my favorite Pokemon of all time. So, ooh, oh my gosh, these are like relatively new Pokemon. This has so many generations in it. Oh, shiny energy, hey. Oops. Oh, cute. Cute little Growlithe. Oh, Zamazenta. Love Zamazenta. I was a shield player. Yes, Meowstic. Period. I guess this Feebas card's kind of cute. I guess we got really good pulls on the first one. Ooh, Altaria. Because, ooh, Articuno. Because, holy cow, the V-Stars were crazy. But then we got... I've seen this card in card shops before. This is fire. This is fire. I also love her as a champion. I can't remember her name. She starts with a D. I don't know. I'm blanking on it. But Gardevoir. Oh my gosh. We're back. This Poniard card, I low-key ate up with my scissors, but we're gonna pretend that you don't see that scratch mark. It's giving PSA 1. Yay, Serena! Meowstic. Ooh, Tapu Lele. Wait, I have this card. Maybe it's like slightly different. I don't know. I got this from not this series, so I don't know. Ooh, shiny Poniard. Chat up. Throwback. Yeah, this has such a random Pokemon. Fennekin! Set in it. So many different regions. Ooh. Okay. Delphox. Ooh, Milotic. Our second to last stack, but not the last. I'm so sorry, guys. I like low-key can't see the card if I'm not like. We got it. We got it. We got it. Guys, I love Serena so much. I'm not kidding. I'm telling you, this to your face, I think I'm going to name my first child after Serena. I decided that when I was like 12 watching Pokemon X and Y and Z. Oh my gosh, I can't believe we got it. I can't believe we got this card because I thought for sure getting the other full art card rare with Gardevoir. I thought for sure we wouldn't get another full art rare. But we did. And it's the best one. Putting this in a top loader. Don't fret. Don't fret. That's gonna go in a top loader. Yes! I'm gonna have to look up what the... Oh, Zacian! What the actual... Cute. The actual chaser for this set is. Is it that one? Because that's like the only one I've seen people talking about. And that's like the only one I knew about and wanted. Ooh, Gardevoir. But... Oh, okay, random man. Slay. But yeah, I'm so happy with that. I don't know if there's any, like, other ones to look out for. Ooh, this is so random. The random... I guess this isn't random. This is, like, the new evolution. That's cool. Okay, last stack. The last stack of cards. I don't know what I'm hoping for because I don't know what else is in this set. I got what I was hoping for. And I didn't think we would get it. So, ooh, shiny Braixen! Yes. Putting that one in the good pile, you know? This random trainer from Kalos. From, like, the fairy gym. Okay, girl. Ooh. Okay, Clinkin. Ooh. I keep getting so many Yanmega things. I'm like, Jirachi! Wait, this looks like shiny Jirachi. Am I? Do I just not remember what Jirachi looks like, or is this shiny Jirachi? That's super adorable. Look how shiny the Korean cards are. This is what we should be buying, not the Japanese ones, for an absurd amount of money. I think. Oh, there's something. A golden energy. All right, our last card was the golden energy. Guys, I can read Korean, like I know Korean, but like I don't know what that means in terms of Pokemon. So let's do a recap of what we got. Conclusion, these were all the huge hits that we got. There were lots of shiny cards, but we got our golden energy, shiny Jirachi. I'm counting this as a big hit, guys. It's cute. We have the full art first card. The second full art card, Magearna, Alolan Vulpix V, Alolan Vulpix V-Star, Mawile V, Mawile V-Star, and Reshiram V. I am so happy that we pulled this card though. This was the only one I knew that was in this set, and it's kind of the only one I wanted, so I'm really happy. Let me know what you guys think, and should I go back and get another booster box? That was so cheap. So insanely cheap for such good cards. I think the answer is yes. So comment down below which series I should get, because I actually have no idea. But I like the Champion Leon card, so if anyone knows what one he's in, I'll go buy it. But thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.